mathematical coordinate-based representation of a three-dimensional cube. Press S and move the cursor to scale it, optionally followed by X, Y or Z to scale along one of the axes. Press Tab to enter edit mode and Control R to add edge loops. Select these faces created by intersecting edges, and E to extrude these faces when we have a table end. Now let's try to make it into a chair. You can already do a lot with the simple techniques you just learned. Let's add some details to the chair to make it look more realistic. Add some more edge loops and delete these faces in the middle to create the hollowed out part of the back of the chair. Bridge the gaps between edge loops and make sure the model doesn't have any missing surfaces. In edit mode, press 1 to select vertices and press G to move them. Remember, G for grab. Press X, Y or Z to select the axis. Left click to confirm action or right click to cancel action. And we've made our 3D chair mesh. Now let's add a plane as the floor so the chair doesn't just float in the void. Chairs and floors are often made of the dead body of trees, so let's search for a wood texture. Hold Z and switch to material view so you can see materials on the models. Open shader editor, import the wood texture, and link it to the base color of the material node of the chair. Press numpad 0 to go to camera view, and lock the camera to view, and select a good angle for rendering. Rendering is just like taking a picture, and let's try to create a good composition and lighting for our picture. You can press Z to go to render view to see the lighting on the model. Now we have a photorealistic render of a chair, but merely replicating reality is not good enough. Let's be creative and make the chair into a cartoon character. Let's make an anthropomorphic chair that stands on 2 legs and have 2 arms, so we can use bipedal rigging, so we can animate it like a humanoid character. Add more edge loops to subdivide the chair model, so it can be better animated. Let's export our chair model and upload it on Mixamo.com, as the site provides easy rigging and free animations. Rigging or skeletal animation is a technique to map a model's mesh to a virtual armature which controls the distortion of the model, simulating the organic movement of bones and joints. Now, our chair has come to life, and you can make it do all kinds of movements. This model is no longer an ordinary boring inanimate furniture, but a walking and dancing chairperson. Isn't that nice? Thank you for watching my first Blender/3D introductory tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more awesome content on how to make things with your computer.